Stuck with too much Ubuntu and not enough room to play? Today, we're diving into how you can shrink your Ubuntu partition, creating room for your other operating systems, or simply freeing up some valuable disk space, all without losing your data. First, let's get prepared. Hold up, before we get started, the most important step: back up your data. Resizing partitions can be risky, so make sure you have a backup of your important file. Safety first, always. To resize partitions, we will use a tool called GParted. This tool allows us to modify our disk's partitions efficiently. If you don't have it, finding it is easy. Open your Ubuntu software application. In the search bar, typing GParted. Once you find it, install it. Open GParted, and you'll see a visual representation of your hard drive's partitions. Identify the Ubuntu partition, usually the one labeled as asked for or similar, and the one you want to adjust, which is your existing Ubuntu partition. Right-click on your Ubuntu partition and select Resize. Move. This brings up the Resize dialog box. Now, here's where the magic happens. You can visually adjust the partition size to what is needed. Drag the right-hand side of the partition to the left to free up space for other uses. You can also enter in the specific size you would like to set. Remember, shrinking the partition gives the unused space. After you set the size, make sure to apply the changes by hitting the Apply button. GParted will then go to work resizing your partition. Once completed, you'll have your resized Ubuntu partition, along with unallocated space, ready to be used for other things, like dual booting. And that's it, you successfully resized your Ubuntu partition. Remember to restart your computer, and you should have your newly resized partitions in GParted.